Hoka hey, welcome back. Welcome to Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. My name is Nanaboozhoo, or as we say in the language, Nanaboozhoo Indigenous Cause. I'm very happy to be here today, and I'm happy to see you. Okay, I can't really see you, but I'm happy you can see me, and I'm happy you're listening. I want to say thank you for listening. Do you know how we say that in the language? We say, Miigwech, Bizendawieg. Miigwech, Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. You know, I think that's really important. If you're going to sing songs and you're going to play, when you get done singing, you should say, Miigwech, Miigwech, Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. So, okay. So I got a story about that? I can't think of one. Although I was at this coffee house once, and like it was open mic. And so this guy gets up there, and he starts playing. And the kids in the front row, they started laughing and teasing him. And he stopped and he was like, "Hey, you boys, quit teasing me." I mean, come on, man. If you're not entertaining them, that's your fault, not theirs. Okay, so the lesson is, kids, don't yell at your audience. You only make it look worse. Okay, gotta go. I'm gonna say, Kigawaba Min. I'll see ya. Thank you. And don't forget to call your grandma. She misses you. Okay, bye.